Welcome to Chaska Middle School East, where we encourage your students to thrive academically and teach them to also develop social-emotionally through our Thunderbird P.R.I.D.E values of being prepared, respectful, inclusive, dependable, and empathetic. Let's have some fun.
Welcome to East.
It feels a lot more welcoming, and like just the new lighting, it just I don't know, it feels more open.
Just adds a new layer, like everything we already have a really nice school, really nice atmosphere, but just overall just makes everyone feel more excited to be at school.
Kids just are loving the changes. They love how bright things are. They're taking better care of things. It's everywhere you look, you just see something that just speaks to our excellence, only now it looks that way too.
Yeah, well, it's, we still talk in middle school of it's still middle school, they're figuring it all out, but it's definitely the first time we're, getting more classes in a day, and it's just specific to that content area. So, yeah, you definitely see kids, all of a sudden it takes off of oh, they really like science, and they really get into those things, and to me that comes out a lot in the questions they ask, and just their natural curiosity around it.
Being able to pick if we want to take music classes, or being able to pick if we want to take physical education classes, it just feels really customizable to what we want our learning experience to be.
I'd say that when you have a request to do something more, teachers are always willing to negotiate and find something extra to do. East has really helped. I'd say that the teachers just being able to help you specifically, and it's customizable, so whatever you say, teachers are always willing to help. That's the main thing.